see. I have no idea if they have food. There's a big one. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Now, like in perspective of my hand, it's not as big, but still. Good size. Oh, there's the ball. That's nice. All right. I'm gonna put this back. Okay. Scoop. Oh my goodness. Still have some food. No freezing problems like we had a few days ago. It's gotten warmer, so that's good. This is very good. Very happy. The banana. Yeah, these guys seem to be working well. I think they just got a little bit slow over the winter. So as the youngins say now, it's time for the summer arc. Anyway, hopefully what we'll be able to achieve this summer is some sort of better bedding system. This one is, I'm half sure this is like sifted peat moss right now. You can see kind of like the granulars. Let's see if I can focus that. No, I can't. There's like the granulars in there that kind of come from, you know, that Coca-Cola-ish stuff. So I'm hoping I'll find some sort of like, you know, rancher that has manure that I could just pick up, and we'll have that. We have real foods, so we can just take real foods here, compost here, and like whatever else. Maybe like carbon sources from what is it, coffee grounds, so the 3 sections, you know. And also we have the free Costco buckets too, these ones. So like we're pretty set, I'd say. Honestly, there's not really much I can see that could be limiting us besides, of course, you know, time and obligations for other things. But I think that summer just like says no to all that. It just says, nope, you have no obligations at all. No school, no nothing. So that's coming April 7th, I believe. April 7th, I'm out of school. And it's just free reign after that. So I'd say expect a lot more videos at that time. And I think, personally, we just like get this going crazy. We get like the buckets zooming. So we have 2 currently. We expand those 2, we divide those 2 into 4 breeders. And then at that point, this has got like a crazy boost. There's like, imagine one of those buckets worth full of castings just in here, added on. That was just like a few, like 5 weeks ago. Imagine that, but times 4. Just put bucket. That's like gonna boost the population crazily. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be great. And you know, after that, I think it's fair to say I could like start selling like 3 rounds of the 4 buckets if they're producing like, I can't even remember how much they can produce possibly, but if they're producing, you know, a good amount of worms with each breeder, and there's 12, you know, 4 breeders, and they complete a cycle 3 times, you have 12 times, like, you know, one of those buckets worth. That's just so many worms. We just have colonies of worms down here. I hope my goal for this summer is to fill from here all the way to here at the same height here. So we can just achieve that really fast if we just add the bedding. You know, of course not like adding bedding just to add bedding, but like add bedding to this, because this is, I'm pretty white. That's, you know, that's pretty dang. That's just casting. All right, we can all agree that. This all the way across is achievable across the summer. I think so. I actually believe so. So I think we just need to ramp up our, you know, breeding, and then also ramp up our like just quality of bedding. That, and then it's just gonna, and of course like the heat, and I'm gonna be here longer. I could be here all day long just doing whatever the hell I want to. Just expand. And then after that, it's just, you know, I don't even know. We'd have to like get, I don't know. Definitely use these castings though. We'll have to use these castings by the end of this year, I'd say. Because these are just like begging to be used. I don't know. I could look at this under a microscope, but I can guarantee you this is rich with, you know, microbes. So, yeah. I think main operation, selling the worms, and then after that, the castings. We could just give the castings to like whoever. Might charge them a little bit, but not like anything near what you'd pay at like for, you know, way worse fertilizer from Home Depot. That doesn't even help the, you know, ecosystem. It just adds nitrogen, fake nitrogen that they have in a lab, you know. Just make it so that it's available, because nothing here, like to produce this, there's nothing I have to pay for, like, especially with the free breeder buckets. Like, it just makes the process so much cheaper. I mean, really, it should be given. It shouldn't be like you have to pay for this. And I just hope this expands, this whole process, not just me doing it. You know, maybe I can convince like friends of mine, who knows, but just like even small scale, 1 bucket, you can just pay $20 for some worms, put them in a bucket, give them all they need, come back in, you know, 3 months, and you have this. You have, you know, just the great stuff. And if even like, I don't even know, I think this is gonna be like big business soon enough. We're gonna move away from big corporate, you know, monoculture farms. First of all, that's gonna be the first move. Then we're gonna get more biodiverse communities, where there's gonna be like, because biodiversity is the best thing you can have, and this is just micro biodiversity. This is just micro biodiversity. So I expect to see soon enough an insurge of all this crap, everything here. I think it's just like, I think it's like the next step. I think it'll be beautiful to watch. Just see like everybody realize, wow, this is way better. I'm getting way better crops. And this is improving soil health. It's not deteriorating it. It's not, you know, sucking up moisture, you know. But yeah, like I said, expect new videos very soon, because like when I'm not in school and I have nothing to do, like the worms are just on the mind 24/7. But yeah, that'll be all. Have a good day.